Good morning, students. Now in chapter 7, integrals. Next exercise, exercise 7.3. Open exercise. So in this exercise, we are going to learn about integration using trigonometric identities. So trigonometric identities you have studied in previous classes. Clear? For example, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Similarly, there are different formulas of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Clear? So you have to use the identities to solve the integration. As we know that in case of integration we have to convert the given question in integrable form. So in this exercise we are going to learn about integration by using trigonometric identities. Clear? So see the example here. Here you have to integrate cos square x dx. So as we know that there are no any formula of integration of cos square x, so you have to convert it in integrable form. So cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. We know that. So cos square x will be 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So integration of cos square x, you can write integration of 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Clear? Now convert it into two parts, 1 by 2 dx and second part will be this one. So half integration cos 2x dx. So integration of dx will be x, so 1 by 2 into x will be x by 2 and 1 by 2 here, and integration of cos 2x will be sin 2x by 2. Clear? Plus c, which will be the answer. Clear? Where c is the integration constant. Now next, sin 2x, integration of sin 2x cos 3x dx. Clear? To check here, you can use the formula 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. 2 sin x cos y. You have studied about this formula in previous class. Clear? 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. So you can use here this formula. So this will be equal to firstly multiply and divide it by 2. Now here use 2 sin x cos y. So here x is 2x and y is 3x. To apply the same formula, so sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Clear? So this will be equal to integration sin 5x plus sin minus x. We know that sin minus x is equal to minus sin x. This will be this one, because we know that sin minus x is equal to minus sin x. Clear? Now this will be equal to, now integrate it, then you have the answer. Clear? Now see next question. Integration of sin cube x dx. We have to convert it in integrable form. So we know that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So sin cube x will be equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. Now put the value of sin cube x here. So integration of sin cube x dx will be integration 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4 dx. Now this will be equal to this one. Now integrate here then you have the answer. Clear? Next question. Integrate sine square 2x plus 5 dx. Clear? So let 2x plus 5 is equal to t. Then 2x dx will be equal to dt. Then dx will be equal to 1 by 2 dt. So put the value of dx and 2x plus 5. Then the given question will be converted in this form, sine square t, and we know that sine square t can be written as 1 minus cos 2t upon 2. Clear? Sine square t is equal to, so you can write here, so this will be equal to 1 by 2 integration 1 minus cos 2t upon 2 dt. Clear? Now 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 dt and 1 by 4 cos 2t dt. This will be converted. Now integrate here, then you have the answer. Put the value of t also, 2x plus 5. Clear? Solve this portion and you can write plus c, only sign. Clear? And 5 by 4 is also a constant, so eliminate this 5 by 4, means you can write it 2x by 4 plus 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 plus c will also be a constant, so you can write only x by 2. Clear? Now next example, integration sine cube x cos cube x dx. So multiply and divide it by 8. So 8 sine cube x cos cube x, you can write it. Then you can write 2 sine x cos x whole cube, and we know that 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta, so you can write sine 2x cube. Clear? This will be equal to sine cube 2x dx, and apply the same formula, sine cube x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x upon 4. Use the same formula here. Clear? So this will be equal to this one, because sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So sine cube x will be equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x upon 4, you can write. Now integrate, then you have the answer. Clear? Similarly, next question, integration of this portion, you have to integrate it. Now multiply and divide it by 2. Now here use 2 cos x cos y. So 2 cos x cos y is equal to, we know that 2 cos x cos y cos x cos y is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. So use the identity here, then you have this portion. Now again multiply, then you have 2 portions. Now apply. Now again multiply and divide it by 2. Now again apply here 2 cos x cos y. identity. Clear? Then you can integrate it easily. Then you have the answer. Clear, students? So we can say that in case of integration, we have to convert the given question in integrable form. In case of trigonometric functions, we have to use the identity to convert the given question in integrable form. Then we can integrate. Clear? So you have to solve all the questions of exercise 7.3 with example. Okay, students? Thank you.